Every bottle of avocado oil begins in these sun-kissed groves. Careful selection ensures only the finest fruit is chosen. Transport begins the journey from grove to factory. From grove to industrial hub, the journey continues. Arrival at the factory marks the start of transformation. This massive facility is where nature meets industrial precision.
All right, you're all set. Have a good run.
Strict security ensures safe and controlled operations. Every delivery is directed with precision logistics.
A synchronized team manages the flow of raw material efficiently. Heavy machinery ensures swift and safe material handling.
Conveyor systems link the exterior to the heart of production. Every step is carefully monitored to maintain flow. Constant monitoring ensures operations remain safe and efficient.
Completed deliveries make way for incoming loads without delay. Safety standards are embedded into every corner of the facility. Seamless transition from exterior to production interior maintains efficiency. This hall is where raw material begins its industrial journey.
Trained operators direct each crate to the correct processing line. Every avocado is handled with care before processing. The journey from outside to production floor is precise and continuous.
The first step inside is thorough cleaning of every avocado.
Quality inspection ensures only the best fruit continues.
Water jets remove dust, dirt, and residual pesticides. Proper drainage prepares the fruit for quality inspection.
Only the best fruit advances for oil production.
Precision peeling preserves the fruit's natural quality. Each avocado is prepared for pulp extraction. Crushing transforms fruit into the base for pure oil. Controlled heat prepares pulp for maximum oil yield. Now the pulp is ready to release its golden oil. Pressure extracts pure avocado essence efficiently. Collected oil is temporarily stored before refinement. Automated pumping maintains speed and hygiene. Filtration ensures clean, high-quality oil for bottling.
Expert oversight guarantees consistent quality at every step.
Filtered oil is now ready for precise industrial handling. Filtered oil enters blending vats for uniform quality.
Careful heating enhances fluidity for precise processing.
Uniform mixing guarantees consistent oil texture.
Additives preserve purity without altering flavor.
Circulation guarantees homogeneity across production batches.
Human oversight complements automated precision.
Seamless integration leads into advanced automation. Here, the essence of avocado is fully released through precision pressing. Controlled pressure ensures maximum purity and flavor retention. Fine filtration captures even microscopic impurities. Temperature control preserves nutritional properties and consistency. Blending guarantees each batch meets industrial standards. Secondary pressing perfects clarity and ensures purity. Microfiltration captures every last impurity for premium quality.
Automation ensures precision at every moment of production.
Human oversight complements automated perfection. Transformed into its final form, the oil awaits packaging. Every batch is verified before entering the bottling line. Every batch undergoes rigorous quality control before leaving the facility. Representative samples are collected for comprehensive testing. Viscosity tests ensure uniform consistency in every batch. Robotics ensure flawless positioning and handling.
A final polish enhances presentation and quality perception.
Every seal is double-checked for absolute precision. Precision machinery fills each bottle consistently and efficiently. From raw fruit to bottled perfection, the transformation is complete. Automated conveyors guide every bottle with precision timing. Sensors detect imperfections before they move forward. Instant product flow. Automation ensures branding is flawless on every bottle. Machine vision guarantees every label meets quality standards. Robotics handle packing with speed and precision. Sealing preserves product integrity for transport and storage.
Advanced robotics optimize storage and dispatch readiness.
Sensor technology prevents errors before products leave the line. Automation links production with storage seamlessly. Robotic forklifts manage inventory with precision and safety. Centralized control ensures every process runs flawlessly. AI predicts maintenance to prevent unexpected downtime. Automation and intelligence orchestrate a seamless production flow. Every bottle is guided toward final precision finishing. Cartons are assembled flawlessly to house each bottle securely. Sealing locks in quality and protects the product.
Human oversight ensures no detail is overlooked.
Automation ensures secure and efficient packaging.
Consistency in every drop is guaranteed by precision sensors.
Final labeling checks confirm traceability and compliance. Precision assembly ensures safe and stable stacking for shipping. Shrink wrapping secures products for storage and distribution. Every detail is verified before moving to dispatch.
Precision, assembly, and finishing complete the product's final preparation.